Came here last week to do this patio clean and color seal, get all the grout haze off, and fix some grout repairs, get this travertine cleaned up and sealed. We're gonna color enhance it. But they removed this whole surround because the water was coming up onto the tiles. So this is fresh grout from the installer, and it doesn't look very well. This is brand new grout. So now I had to do some repairs. I should have just grouted it myself, but it wasn't my deal. It was the home builder's deal. But they did a very poor quality job here. Honestly, don't know how long this will last. It's already vibrating. The mortar wasn't on there right. I saw him when he was doing the installation. I even made him pick one of the tiles up, and it wasn't even bonded properly. All that is hollowness right there. The whole edge is hollow. So over time, water splashing in there, water's gonna get in there, and these are gonna fully debond. It's unfortunate because this is a $3 million property, and they just spent a whole month supposedly fixing this, only not to do a proper mortar installation. Sounds good over here. Looks like he bonded it over here, but that's vibration. All this grout is gonna crack. I don't know, maybe a year or so. We're lucky. Brand new grout installation. So we fix all that. We salvage many jobs. Otherwise, it's getting back to the drawing board and starting all over, buying all material. Oh, look, that's not a bad one. Buying brand new material and starting all over, and which it's what they did here. But even after doing so, they refuse to follow proper installation techniques. Oh, this one's bad. So there's only mortar probably around here, this area. Ooh. So this is how it should sound right there. And you feel the vibrations over a few tiles. I'm tapping the tile in front of me and I'm feeling it under my feet. But yeah, we're salvaging this floor, getting a good sealer on there. Lasts many years, makes cleaning easy. Doing the fire pit, did a good hone acid clean so we don't get any efflorescence in the future. And we're gonna do a color enhancer sealer that lasts many years. Gonna do that to all that. Oh, seal it. So this is one of the lines that didn't get color sealed yet. And that's the color we went with. Went from bone to frost. And while that repair guy was out here, so they fixed this too. The water was going in the house, so they built a drain. But there was a huge crack going across the rim, and they just didn't repair it. So Lazona is repairing it. Getting all cleared up. Waiting for the product to cure so we can do our color sealer application. And we also are cleaning the windows. Maria cleaning the windows over there. As a courtesy to the patio job, we're also going to be cleaning all the furniture and staging everything back. Oh yeah, and we got some granite over there we're about to get sealed. So this house will be protected and La Zona approved.